Big career point. There is an opportunity from the DeltaX company, location Gurgaon. Freshers can apply for it. 0 to 2 years, 24, 23, 22 batches. Skill వచ్చేసి Python developer is the skill. Those who are having the Python skills, they can apply for it. Company details we can see. We procure and allocate efficiently managed, highly available, valuable and cost efficient compute and network infrastructure. We provide a permissionless access to rich data banks and develop using efficient data scraping, labeling and storage mechanisms. Job description: database admin, software engineering, Python. Python is the skill we required to apply for this job. Expected salary or CTC is 10 lakhs per annum, 10 to 12. Responsibilities: develop and maintain highly efficient Python based applications and scripts. Adi matter. So bachelor's degree in computer science or related field. So as we already discussed, 24, 23, 22 batches can apply for it. Interested students can apply and forward to your friends also, those who are in need, and like the video. Thank you all. Link is provided in the description box.